Okay, greetings from Home Institute. I hope you are doing well at home. We are also quite happy that most of our students are doing pretty well in terms of following the ongoing online course. The kind of doubts we get asked regularly, and also the participation of our students in the online quizzes, etc. It gives us a lot of satisfaction, and at the same time, it also motivates us to do a lot more for our students. Well, now coming to the point, you see, back in April, when we made our first announcement regarding our course for GATE 2021, the initial plan was to offer the course through online mode for the first couple of months and then migrate to the usual offline mode. So back then, the assumption was that at least by July end or by mid-August, the situation would become normal and that we would be in a position to conduct our usual offline classes. But now, if you just look at the present situation, continuously, day after day, the cases are increasing across the country. And in fact, a recent report, a study from ICMR, states that the number of cases in India will hit a peak somewhere in the middle of November, and this is only mid-June. So from now till the middle of November, we have got almost 5 months, and that means in the next 5 months, the number of cases will steadily increase, if not exponentially. So in such a scenario, it is not safe, not just for the students, but also for us faculty to be conducting offline classes. So after several discussions and consultations, we have come to a conclusion that for this year, our course for GATE 2021 will be offered completely online. And this is against our initial plan, which was first online followed by offline. But now we have come to a conclusion, or we have decided that for this year, our course for GATE 2021 will be fully online. I hope this is a good news for all the students out there as well as the parents. Okay, now that we have decided that our course will be fully online, in this video, we'll give you some details, some important details about our online course, the course duration, the course schedule, and other features of this online course. So first of all, the duration of this full online course will be 6 months. And in these 6 months, the first 5 months will be devoted to covering all the different subjects. So that is what classroom teaching, of course, online. And the last 1 month will be reserved for revision. So the first 5 months will be devoted to completing the entire syllabus through daily lectures. And the last 1 month is for revision. Now, Surendra sir will give you further details about this online course.
Yeah. Sir already gave you enough information regarding the present situation. So we are coming completely to online platform for GATE 2021. And this course will be for 6 months, whereas first 5 months will be having regular classes to complete the entire syllabus. And the last month will be completely for revision. Now, coming to the schedule of the program, every month we are covering around 3 subjects, out of which there will be a difficult subject, an easy subject, at the same time a moderate level subject. So when we plan the schedule like this, students will not feel any burden so that they can effectively prepare for the examination. And let me come to the daily schedule of these online classes. Every day we will be uploading 4 hours of lecture in our OHMONLINE Android app, and along with that, a student will receive classroom lecture notes every day written by the faculty to their registered email ID. So student need not to write any notes because already faculty is sending the classroom notes. So therefore, once watching the lecture is completed, the student has to go through that complete lecture written by the faculty, and then he has to prepare only short notes. No need to write the entire notes because it is already available. Okay. So that short notes must be used for revision purpose. Okay, now after the classroom notes, we will also send you the soft copy of material, GATE 2021 material, all previous old GATE questions along with the solutions, and also selected IES examination problems including prelims as well as mains. Okay, so why we are including IES examination paper problems also means it is just to give the confidence for the student so that he or she can attempt any kind of examination once the preparation is completed. Okay, and then the most important part of this course is doubt clarification. So how doubts will be clarified in an online mode. So for that purpose we tried various techniques, and we finally came up with three ways of doubt clarification for students. First one is emailing the doubts. Okay, so when a student watched the lecture, suppose if there was a doubt regarding that lecture, so the student will send a mail. Okay, and consolidating all the students doubts for about 3 to 4 lectures, a faculty will record one more video, okay, clearing all those doubts, and that will be uploaded in our app. Okay, for every 3 to 4 lectures one doubt clarification video will be uploaded. And the second method is we are using Telegram groups for each and individual subjects. In that group all the students will join along with faculty, and there will be a healthy discussion among the students as well as faculty, so that students can clarify their doubts at an instant time, I can say immediately. Okay, and the third method is we are going to implement from the July 1st week, that is helpline numbers. For every individual subject we will be using one helpline number, you can say a telephone number, you can say. Now a student can dial that number, and immediately he or she can contact the concerned subject faculty, because most important thing is helpline numbers are going to be answered by subject experts, that means faculty itself. There is no intermediate teaching assistants like that. Okay, faculty will directly answer the questions raised by students in those helpline numbers. Okay, this is the third. This is about doubt clarification to the students. Now coming to examinations, we have two types of exams. One is quiz exams, another one is a full test. Coming to quiz exams, once a particular topic is completed in any subject, we will conduct a quiz examination using our own online test series app. That quiz examination consists of 10 to 15 questions related to that particular topic. Like that, a particular subject, one subject may have at least 10 to 12 quiz examinations. Okay, now once a particular subject is completed, and we will conduct once again a full test on that entire subject. Okay, and that full test consists of 20 to 25 questions where all the topics of that subject will be covered. So this is how examinations will be conducted using OHMONLINE Test Series app. Okay, now the most important question most of the students were asking is why we are giving recorded lectures rather than live streaming classes. Okay, now Gautam sir will tell you the details regarding that, why we are adopting recorded lectures but not live lectures. Okay,
See, when we decided to offer this online course in April, we have obviously tried out different ways or different platforms to deliver our content, including Zoom. And our experience with live online classes has been average at best. So we were not really satisfied with the kind of output we were able to achieve or deliver. Because a live online class requires us to write or scribble on a digital pad, and the same thing will be broadcasted to all the students who are sitting there online. A lot of engineering subjects require a physical classroom for the concepts to be explained in an effective manner. See, if you take a subject like signals and systems or communications to some extent, because these two subjects involve a lot of equations from start to end, it is okay to go with a digital board. But when it comes to subjects like machines, especially rotating machines,
yeah. Suppose let us consider a subject like rotating electrical machines. So rotating electrical machines, student should experience a physical classroom mode so that he or she can understand that subject effectively. If I try to teach rotating electrical machine on a digital pad, that understanding of the subject will not be that great. Okay, So it is not the case for every subject. Most of the subjects, especially electrical machines, power systems, power electronics, okay, certain subjects like EDC, analog electronics. So some of the subjects need physical offline classroom experience. So that is the main reason why we adopted this whiteboard and classroom recording, technology rather than going for a digital pad technology. All right. Most of the subjects.
See, to be frank, a live online class requires very little effort. A 1 hour lecture will require exactly 1 hour of effort, because whatever you scribble on the digital pad, the same thing will be broadcasted to all the students. Boom, you are done. But whatever we are trying to do, which is what? To replicate the original classroom experience on our online platform, every 1 hour of final output lecture will require at least 5 hours of effort from our side. So we are taking this much effort to deliver or replicate the actual classroom experience through our online platform. In fact, if you look at or if you go through the sample lectures that are uploaded on our YouTube channel or the free content available on our app, you can see that the experience is 99% same as what you get from an original classroom. So this is what our objective is. It is to replicate the actual classroom experience on the online platform. That is why we have chosen the recorded lectures way instead of the live online classes. Not only that, when it comes to data consumption, you see, 1 hour of live online lecture will consume at least 500 MB of data. And usually we'll have 4 to 5 hours of lecture every day. So 4 to 5 hours of online lecture or a live online lecture would consume at least 2 to 2.5 GB of data. And mostly the students would like to watch the video at least for a second time. That means what? You'll have to spend another 2 to 2.5 GB of data. So on the whole, you would require at least 5 GB of data per day just to watch the lecture 2 times.
2 times.
And many instances, the student would like to watch parts of the lecture for a third time or maybe for the fourth time as well. But in our app, we are providing the convenient feature of download and watch offline. Even our lectures will be 4 to 5 hours per day, and even our lecture will consume 500 MB of data for about 1 hour of lecture. So for example, today if you have a 4-hour lecture on our app, and that will consume 4 times 500 MB is 2 GB. But because you have a download option, all you have to do is just download the lecture into your device, and you can watch it any number of times without consuming not even one extra bit of data. This is the most convenient thing about recorded lectures, that once you download the lecture into your device, you can watch them any number of times without consuming additional data. So for all these reasons, we have chosen this recorded lecture route instead of the usual route, which is live online classes. So in terms of effectiveness, in terms of convenience, in terms of a lot of other parameters,
data consumption,
etc., recorded lectures are far superior to any live online lecture. And this is something we can tell you with a high degree of confidence, having tried out several things.
The next thing is about OHMONLINE app. How OHMONLINE app will work. So most important thing is we have 2 features in OHMONLINE app. One is, once the lecture is being uploaded to our app, a student can watch the lecture directly. He can stream the video. At the same time, a student can download that lecture. So once the lecture is downloaded, you can watch that lecture any number of times without consuming additional data, that what sir already said. Another most important thing for any video streaming app is content delivery network. We call it as CDN. Suppose if we use low quality CDN, what happens is, when the same video is streamed by many number of students, then the quality of the video is going to be degraded. As we are using Amazon CloudFront CDN, which is one of the topmost CDN network in the market, if the same lecture is watched by many number of students,
1,000
or 15 or 2,000, even 10,000, the quality of the video is not going to be degraded at all. It is very much equivalent to Amazon Prime. Okay, or Netflix, you can say. So that is the important thing about any online video streaming app.
Application.
Okay.
CDN.
Yes,
CDN will be a deciding factor
Factor.
when it comes to quality of the streaming.
Yes.
So because we are tied up with such a big organization like Amazon, our CDN is going to be top notch. So students don't have to be worried about the quality of the lecture that is being streamed.
Yes. And one more thing, playback speed.
Playback speed. You see, a lot of our students have requested for including this playback speed option. You know, this 1.25x, 1.5x. We agree that this is a very useful feature for the students, especially when they are watching lecture for a second time or for a third time, just to revise the contents of the lecture. So we have spoken to our app developers and they have agreed to implement this very soon in the next update. Before the end of this month, this feature is going to be available. What is that? Playback speed option.
Now, next thing is what are the requirements from the student side, in order to utilize OHMONLINE app effectively. Gautam sir will brief the information.
Okay, since it is an online course, obviously every student should have a very good internet connection. So ideally, the student should be having a very good 4G network, or you can subscribe to a broadband connection like Jio Fiber or Airtel Fiber. Every day we will be uploading 4 to 5 hours of lecture, and this would consume at least 2 to 2.5 GB of data, and that is what every day. So you should subscribe to such a plan which will provide you at least 3 GB of data per day, and that is for the next 3 to 4 months. Now coming to the hardware or software requirement for this course, we are offering this online course exclusively through our OHMONLINE app, and right now our OHMONLINE app is available only for the Android platform. So you should have a mobile device with Android 7 or higher so that our app will work smoothly throughout. Okay, in case you are not aware of our faculty team, let me just brief you about the members of our faculty team. Myself, Gautam, I will be dealing ADC, analog circuits, and also network theory, that is basic circuit analysis. Next to me is Surendra sir. All of you know him. He will be dealing all the machines at Home Institute. And then we have Giri sir, who will be dealing the entire power systems and also three-phase circuits. And then we have Shankar sir, who will be dealing power electronics along with control systems. And then we have NY sir, who is a first ranker in ESC, I think in 2015. And he'll be dealing with signals and systems and also communications. And then we have Hemant sir, who is a fourth ranker in ESC, again in 2015. And he'll be dealing with EMF, EMT, and also digital circuits. And then we have Ramu sir, who will be dealing with the complete mathematics part, and he has got more than 15 years of experience with different institutes, top institutes across India. So this is pretty much the core team of faculty at home. Apart from this core team, we also have faculty for English as well as general ability.
Now coming to this course fee and the upcoming batches, I would like to give you brief information. Our actual fee is 46,000, out of which we are giving 9,000 flat discount for all the students. So our fee stands at 37,000. And then we have additional discounts for all the graduates of IITs and NITs, BITS and IIITs. We are offering 50% discount on our actual fee. And then for state and central government college students, we are offering 25% discount. And for previous home students, we are offering again 25% discount. For previous gate rankers, we have special discounts. So those who got rank below 1000, they will get 50% discount. For those who got ranks below 2000, we are offering a 25% discount.
Well, coming to the new batches, first of all, already 4 batches are running at good capacity. We are announcing 2 new batches. The first new batch will commence on June 24th, and the second one will start on July 3rd. So all of this will take our number of batches to 6. Still, if we are in a position to handle even more number of students, then we might announce a couple of new batches. But for now, we are just announcing 2 new batches. One will start on 24th of this month, that is June, and the second batch will start on July 3rd. And anybody who wishes to enroll for this course will have to pay an amount of just 10,000 to get started, and then they'll have access for 1 month, and if they wish to continue for the rest of the course, they'll have to pay the remaining fee. So the enrollment fee for this course is just 10,000, and the second installment will have to be paid after 1 month. So this is some information, some important information about our online course for GATE 2021. We wish you all the best.
Thank you.